Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create videos without showing your face and without showing your face and without actually using your voice. So for this, you're going to need three things. So the first one is actually the video editor. So there are a lot of video editors out there. Some are free, some are not. The other thing you're going to need is uh, actually we're not going to need three things. We need four. Okay, so we're going to need a video editor, and for audio we're going to need a text to speech generator. Okay, and you're going to need a free video source. Okay, and lastly, I think you're going to need some chat GPT. Okay, it's not really necessary, but you do need it. So let's start with the video editor. The best one is CapCut. So you can install CapCut from Microsoft Store. I've already installed mine. Okay, so let me just launch CapCut right now. Okay, and this is the video editor. So it's very easy to use, and I think it's free. You don't need to pay anything as far as I know. Then for text to speech, I use this one. It's the best one. So it's called 11 Labs. The reason why I use this one is because their voices, they really sound human. Should we try other text to speech generators? They sound like robots. So I'm going to log in right now. Okay, so what you need to do is you can choose the voices here from female to male. Okay, for now I'll go on with, let's try out Bill. Okay, so I'm going to go on maybe with just the default one. So what you need to do is simply type in what would like to be generated into audio. All right. So the easiest way you can use ChatGPT, I can tell ChatGPT, let us say, generate a paragraph, paragraph ex, explaining what forex trading is. Then ChatGPT is going to give me a paragraph of what forex trading is all about. Alright, although this paragraph seems very big, so I'm just going to copy out half of the paragraph. I'm going to end it here. So click on copy or go back to here, and I'm going to paste it here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on generate speech. Okay, so this is the speech. So all you have to do is wait for it to completely generate, and once that is done, what you need to do is click here to download it. So I've downloaded an MP3. So I'm going to go to CapCut, right? Then in CapCut, I'm going to click on create project. I'm going to start a new project. And this is how CapCut looks like. Okay, so I'm going to paste in the audio that I just downloaded. So I'm going to go to my files. So here is the one I downloaded. I'll paste it here. Now with the audio, let's now get the video. So I'm going to click and hold, and I'm going to put it in the here below. Then if I play it, as you can see, it's just the audio alone without the video. So let's add the video. So where do you generate a video from? So you can use, so for a video source, I'm going to use pexels.com. All right. So let's visit pexels.com. So I'm going to choose want videos, then I'm going to choose forex trading, then I click on enter. Then I'm going to see a lot of videos about forex trading. Now we want HD videos. Orientation should be horizontal. Yeah, this is better. So I think this video makes sense here. Let's check out this one. So this one is like a woman explaining the forex charts. So this makes a good video for a video that talks about what forex trading is all about. So I'll click on download. I'll choose this format, this HD one. I'll click on download. Then click on start downloading. I'll go back to CapCut, wait for the download to complete, and I'll paste the video here. Then again, I'll drag the video from here, I'll put it here. Okay, so if you want, you can. So now, as you can see, I'm adding two videos of the same one because the audio is wrong. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the end. Then I'm going to click on cut. So to cut this part and this the other part is this one. So I've cut this other part. We now got two parts. So now I have to delete this useless one. So to delete on this one, I have to do is click, then you click on the delete bin, then to go away. Now we've got a video. So if I play the video, it's about this is how it is. Okay. Now when you're done with editing, simply click on export, then click on export. Once the exporting is done, you can share this video to TikTok, to YouTube, or anywhere. And that's how you create videos without showing your face or using your voice.